today we're going to have a look at my new watch, the SKG. It is a multi-function smartwatch equipped with a 1.7-inch extra large full touch screen. The SKG smartwatch can accurately track your key health metrics such as heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, and your stress levels. It also has an impressive 8-day battery life, something that I love, and only takes 2 hours to charge. The smartwatch features 14 built-in sport modes to help you achieve your fitness goals. You can record and check all-day activity data like steps and distance. The SKG smartwatch is designed with a 5 ATM waterproof rating, which allows you to swim in the pool with no worries. With enhanced health monitoring, you can measure your blood oxygen saturation and understand your physical state, ideal for high-intensity workouts and sports such as marathons and gym workouts. So last night I had my football training, and when I did, I started an outdoor run. It says I ran 3.73 kilometers, how many calories I burned, my average heart rate, my highest level of heart rate, and my lowest. Other watches provide these services too, however, the in-depth analysis of your data is what really puts SKG in front. The SKG V7 also professionally interprets sleep characteristics at each stage and analyzes sleep quality to help you adjust your sleep habits. The SKG smartwatch is compatible with most iOS 9.0 and Android 6 above. When you download and install this free Very Fit app, you can bind your smartwatch to your cell phone and you can receive alerts of the calendar, incoming calls, SMS, app notifications, etc. It will never let you miss out on any important things. My 3 favorite things about this SKG V7 smartwatch is 1, that there are a ton of different wallpapers for you to choose from, and there's a big variety as well. Secondly, I love the look and the feel of the watch. It's not too big that it takes up your whole wrist, but it's also not too small, and the screen itself is of great quality. Thirdly, one of the best things about this watch is that I've been able to work with developers to help make it better and more accurate for swimmers. All I have to say is, this watch is definitely worth checking out, and I highly recommend it to any swimmers out there, those who just need a watch to help track their daily lifestyle, those who are needing it for more advanced purposes. I definitely think that you should go and check SKG's V7 watch out. Thank you very much for tuning into this video. As always, stay safe, and I'll catch you.